iDiski Times has got a WhatsApp channel. If you want to get breaking news stories immediately on your phone on WhatsApp, please click the link on the description to join the iDiski Times WhatsApp channel.
iDiskiTV, powered by World Sports Betting, iDiskiTimes.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns have qualified for a quarterfinals the CAF Champions League for the season ka-2024-2025 emveni kodlala ke i-draw 1-1 AS FAR yangapha ya Tso Morocco. Yeah, yakhumbula last season where bajika ku number 2 former team coach Kaizer Chiefs Nasruddin Nabi. Remember last season where they finished second behind Raja Casablanca, Joseph Zimbabwe winning the Botola League unbeaten into engazange yafana yenzeka. But Mr. Tso okubalekile Mamelodi Sundowns have qualified for knockout stages. Now izolo ngoba sithetha apho ubusithi ufuna omnye ahambe ngapha nomnye ahambe ngapha. Ikhona ipossibility yalonto Tso, but ikhona ipossibility ukuthi bangadibana kwi quarter finals. But before sithethe ngalonto masithethe ngomdlalo namhlanje.
Sheni mfuthu. Ngibulise wena, ngibulise uMr Nkewu, ngibulise Stizi, ngibulise uBobo Khadoso, uLindo Mkwena, chairman my chairman. Ngibulise nani emakhaya then support njalo iDiskiTV ngizobe njengoba njalo ngijike futhi. Shane, I'm you know sometimes mangikhuluma ngiyabona ngathi abantu abangithathi serious. Ngibene iwish yami ukuthi ngifuna both of these teams ba quarter final.
Yeah.
Both of these teams ba quarter final manje. My wish is for Sundowns go left, Pirates go right. Bawuhlangana le phambili finally. That's my wish. I want to see, Mr. When I Shane ukuthi what's going to happen in Africa where the Southern Hemisphere teams, they're in the finals of the CAF Champions League. It never happened before.
I can guarantee you, so that will be the biggest day in South African football.
That's my wish. Well done to Amasandawana. I think it was not an easy game, Shane. It was not an easy game. Well, even though they were in control, first half, they dictate. Yes, they didn't have much in terms of the chances that they create. But, they did create some chances and Shanulile scored. They missed some second half. But, there's a difference when you're watching between Premier League and Champions League. You see the tactical movement, the technique of the players, the aggression from the players. We are born, this is totally different. That's another level. And Sundowns, they are top team. I mean, as far it's not just a team. That's a very, very strong team. You could see the way they were coming second half, they created chances, they put pressure on Sundowns. There were moments where they even press Sundowns right from their box there. It tells you, Uguti, these guys, I mean, Shane, when people are used to play top-class football, you could see the way they're playing. These guys, they know what they're doing, and they managed to get a goal.
Mr. Tso, I know Urulani left the Sundowns at the beginning of the season. You remember Sundowns under Urulani. Sundowns will create even 10 chances and convert mhlawumbi 4 or even 5. But Sundowns under Umanqoba and the Sundowns under this current coach, would you say they are creating enough chances for Umanqoba to convert?
No, they're trying their best to Shane because remember that now everyone knows how Sundowns they play. So automatically when they go against Sundowns, they do like them as far. They started like that first half. I mean, they were sitting, and now Sundowns they need to be patient. Be patient. Play those passes that will draw them to open up so that you can find the spaces in between. That's not an easy game to play. It's very, very difficult to play against a team that they play low block because you need to try and draw them. Play those passes that you will attempt them to say, you're gonna win this ball, and then eventually you'll find the spaces in between. And that's what happened. That's why I'm saying. Now it's gonna demand more from Sundowns because the quarterfinal they know Sundowns, and some of the teams they'll do the very same thing. They'll go for low block and then come second half, then they'll want to open the game. So that means each and every chance that Sundowns they create, they need to punish. So that when they go to second half or the second leg, with whoever that they meet, then they know that they save. But yeah, well done to them. That's not an easy one. And yeah, they played very well. And it's good to see my favorite player, Shalom Lili.
Bensizapho so in 2 games, une 3 goal contribution. In the last 2 games, he scored 3. Remember, he scored the brace in the previous game against Menyama. He scored also on Namhlanje. How important will he be for Sundowns because the quarterfinals?
Shane, before we pendula lapo, let me just ask you a question. Just imagine you ask me to be tall. I'm just putting it to you. You ask me that, so can you be tall?
It's impossible.
That's Shalulile. You can't ask Shalulile to dribble. But if you can put it in front of him, he's gonna put it in the net. That's Shalulile. And for me, he's always gonna be a number 1 striker for me. With the way Sundowns they're playing, not everyone. For me, I believe not everyone will be a good, in terms of controlling the ball, passing and move. There are players that are not special in terms of that, but they're special in terms of finishing the end product. That's Shalulile for you. Abu Ribeiro, they can turn around and do that. Yes, sometimes it does score. Ribeiro. But a person that you can rely on him when it comes to scoring. Shalulile is number 1 that whatever happens, when he's there. And every time when the balls come to that box, he will finish.
Hey, so Yazi, in just 30 seconds, Sundowns, I've noticed something. Every time they're building from the back, not all the time, but there are moments where Kalu build the ball from the back. Sometimes Ronaldo will make a pass to the opponent, or maybe sometimes it will be a teammate passing the opponent. What do you think is going on there? Because Sundowns used to be the best team. League. They don't used to be. They are the best team when it comes to building from the back. But what do you think is happening there so with those misplaced passes?
No, I think if you can check now, one is Okekana is playing on the left. Normal Okekana is playing on the right, and then on the left Ulibusa. So these two, they complement each other very well. And also having Unonduzano Mukwena right here in front of them. They know each other, these guys, the movement, even the midfielders, or Allen, Abamkulis, Ribeiro, they understand each other very well in terms of when should they move, when not to move, when should we open a space so that Rowan can play to Gulunduzanago, or Adagumrena, or Gumutaulapaya. So now it's shaking for these two because Ukoza is playing on the right, Okekana now is playing on the left. So the balance, they're not yet finding a balance. Especially when Ukoza is getting more pressure. He's a bit shaky. So I think if they can just fix that, and I always say, if it's not broken, don't fix anything. So I don't know why Ulibusa is not playing and then Ukekana playing on the left.
Well, that's it. We've been here since the game of Kaizer Chiefs, and now it's time to go home. We hope you enjoyed all the episodes. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.